everyone. This side Devraj. So here I am going to present my project Fixora. So currently it's not completely built, but there are some errors in my previous version, and I I took around one or 1.5 month of leave. So that's why I am starting a new project. The previous version was Fixriser and current version is Fixora. So I am going to show you show you my complete journey behind the building a production level application by using an Flutter. So here is some insights of my projects. It's a service booking platform built using Flutter and GetX and Supabase. Uh, if anyone here is a beginner, so I would recommend to not watch because it may be a above intermediate level. As of I am also an intermediate or above intermediate, so those who are beginner or below intermediate, those can skip this video. Just I am not comparing anyone. I am just for because I am also such kind of coder. So I am maybe a not I am not maybe a able to explain you in a such a way. So this is my first production application, so sorry for that. So here is an overview. Fixora is a full stack service booking application where user can discover nearby professionals and book home services, and that's it. Here is an core features: user authentication, browse service categories such as painting, painters, carpenters, mechanic, and all those stuff. Again, all those date time scheduling and all those things. Provider feature is an provider authentication, create manage services, add service pricing, and all those things. Flutter is an for front end development, and again Dart is for programming language, and get state management. Some of the backend is of we are using a bash such as a Supabase for backend, Supabase auth for authentication, and Supabase storage for image. Maybe maybe Supabase storage maybe we can use, or another I will include in another video. So this is an introduction video. Here is an architecture we will take as a model view controller, but I included as a widget screen models and API for an all those connection, all those integration, all those communication within a database. So here is all the things I am discovering. I am using, and here is a model. This is an example which I am showing you and nothing else. Though in the API folder we are using such for such command such code for communication with database. Here is a response database, fetch database, insert database, update database. So all those things. And controllers we are using a gettext. So controller is a main part of an gettext. So we will manage applications, state, API calls, reactivate variables, and all those things. And that's all. Nothing else is that much. And so the episodes which I planned, then a project introduction, folder structure setup, Supabase integration, authentication system, and maybe a payment you payment UPI I will show you. But as of I am also in a above intermediate, so I also don't know about I also don't know uh, that much about payment integration such as an uh, uh, MobiQuickly as no Razorpay as such as you APIs are there. I also didn't use it, so maybe in future I will show how to use. Again, yeah, for this is for your for your usage. So here is my introduction. My name is Devraj Honmane and I am in a final year. Currently, I just completed my third year of engineering in computer engineering. Branch is computer engineering, and it's not that much big application. It is good for an intermediate guy and all that. And currently there is nothing in my, that's all. It just initialize. So I will upload on regular basis as I can. If possible, I can try to publish it weekly. So that's it. Thank you.